If you want to be a certified EMT or paramedic, you have to take the National Registry of Emergency Medical Technicians exam. The NREMT is the only nationally recognized certification for EMTs in the United States. If you want to be an EMT or paramedic, then you must familiarize yourself with and pass the test. The test is computer-based and you will be subjected to between 75 and 140 questions. You should expect to be tested on anatomy, trauma, respiratory, obstetrics/gynecology, cardiology, and acute abdominal illness and injury. Pharmacology is also included if you are a paramedic candidate. If you want to pass on your first attempt, you need a proven strategy that will help you plan, study, and remember as much as possible during the test. This strategy is designed to help you do just that. Number 1. Create a study plan. Set a date for your test and create a study plan with a realistic timeline. This will allow you to focus on what is important without feeling overwhelmed by trying to cram everything in at once. There are many free online tools to help you create a study plan. Number 2. Do not try to cram. However, it is the procrastinator study technique and it is one of the worst ways to learn. Number 3. Repetition is your friend. Instead of cramming, repeat sections a few times before moving on to the next. Although the brain likes to keep a gist or idea of what you have learned, the exam will ask questions that will want specifics, not the gist or idea. Repeating will help your brain remember the specifics. Number 4. Take a practice test once a day and take time to dissect the questions. Taking a test once a day will highlight your weak areas that need improvement, will give you confidence in areas where you are doing great, and most importantly, you will not be seeing the questions for the first time when you enter that exam room. Practice tests on dosage calculations, for example, are very useful. There are links to useful practice exams and question banks in the description below. Number 5. Practice your skill sheets. You will probably get the skill sheet that you will be graded on in your course. Our pro tip: do not try to study new material. Light reading to reinforce information that you already know is sufficient on the day or night before the test. All the best.